Today, I'll show you how to build a working farm in LEGO Fortnite so you can grow food and keep your village thriving. First, gather the basics: soil and seeds. You can get seeds by breaking fruits like corns, pumpkins, raspberries, chillberries. You can break them using the grain mill. Next, craft a soil plot at the build menu. You scroll down the utility tab and look for garden plot or sand garden plot. Place several soil plots together to create your farming area. Interact with each soil plot and plant your seeds. Different seeds will grow different crops, so it helps to plant a mix for variety. Check back often, and after a short time, your crops will be ready to harvest. Collect them for food or to replant more seeds. And that's how you build a farm in LEGO Fortnite, a simple setup that keeps your villagers fed and your adventures supplied.